Rolling away to the export market, Uganda says more coffee bags are coming through. All this attributed to tight screening of the beans, which is adding value.
They have moved away from selling coffee at the farm gate. They have added value to their coffee, meaning that their return on investment is more than ever before.
Coffee is Uganda's leading foreign income earner, and the crop is providing livelihoods to millions of households. And with extra income, farmers are grinding away to improve productivity and the quality of the beverage.
Coffee is actually the commodity to cash in. The prices in the world market by this month is the highest ever since 2004. And therefore the farmers who have the coffee, who are getting the quality, are cashing in a lot of money.
In the coffee year ending September 2017, Uganda earned close to $550 million compared to $320 million in 2016. But a drop in production from major coffee producers like Brazil and Vietnam has given Uganda a dramatic lift. The long dry spell spanning over 3 years and a bout of pests and diseases wiped out entire coffee gardens. But government support of free planting materials has revived the destroyed coffee trees. Millions of coffee seedlings have been distributed freely to farmers every year for more than 5 years.
The coffee that we have been planting for over, a period of 5 years, it is coming into production. But they are managing it because of the reward that they see coming from the market.
And that comes with more money for farmers, a trend that is likely to see Uganda realize its plan to grow coffee exports to 20 million bags by the year 2025. Baleke, CGTN, Kampala, Uganda.